Oh yeah, Tiago getting it ready. Alright, check it out folks. The Rebound cockpit room. First one. The mold was machined last night. And the rim being made today. Going on a boat today. Sergio. Right there. Putting the finishing touches on a bomber cockpit rim right here. This is where this cleat is attached. It's got a lot of extra material. It's got extra carbon, 600 fiberglass, some Soric. It's going to be stiff and bomber. You can do big old loops. You're not going to break that thing. You can push against it as hard as you want. Super bomber. Want to see something cool? Check it out. This is Thomas Chaplicky's boat, and this is, look at this. Oh, it is a perfect fit. Perfect fit. Woo. Check it out. This kayak is molded one piece. That means the hull and the deck. The hull and the deck, even though it looks like a top and a bottom, that's because there's a top and bottom mold. But instead of molding a top and molding a bottom, trimming it, and then putting it together, this was literally, the deck mold was put on top of the hull mold, and the bladder was blown up, and we've got a one-piece boat. Pretty sweet. Now, with that said, we're still putting an outside seam to protect the corners. We're putting inside seams for extra strength. I'm not 100% sure we put enough layers overlapping to not do an inside seam. So this is just to be sure. By the way, that's a little inside graphic going on. It's kind of hard to read the Apex graphic. But we're getting there. Oh yeah, you know you're getting close when you're on the buffing. Yeah, don't move. That's perfect. That's what I want. Thanks.